Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm just going to share how to broadcast or live stream on Facebook with your PS4 or any other gameplay. So I'm just gonna do this now. I have this AVA Media capture card, so I'm just showing on my desktop, computer. So you're seeing the window of my PS4. In OBS you need to do that game capturing, you need to add that one. So I have just added that specific window, so it's showing now. Now I want to stream my Facebook. So what I need to do is, to start streaming, I need to go to the settings. This is OBS Studio, you can download it from OBS website, and click the settings, and under this you can see the stream and the streaming services. You can see this Facebook Live, YouTube, Mixer, and Dailymotion. Everything you can see here, even Twitter you can see here. You need to just paste that Facebook stream key here. Now what I'm do is I'm gonna get my stream key. So already I have logged in my Facebook. So to go to the live, to the streaming key, you need to go to facebook.com and /live/create. So you can live stream via three software actually: OBS, Wirecast, and XSplit. I don't know Wirecast, but I tried OBS and XSplit. So now I'm gonna get the click this live stream. Then you will connect two options. So here I'm gonna do this stream key. I'm gonna get the stream key. Every time this stream key will be expired, so once you end that live. So I'm gonna just do this. I just copied that and pasting it here. I don't want to share now, so just giving a play, and just it's done. Now I'm gonna start my streaming. We'll see what happens. I can check my mobile phone as well. Actually it started streaming, so you can see that here actually streaming. So I'm gonna verify with my Facebook. Yes, see this Facebook, it's actually started living. So once it comes right, you need to go to the go live button, then only it will be live. So also you can invite your friends if you want if you want them to watch, you can do this. And if you want to put a full stop for this, click this end live video. Now you can invite your friends as well. So now I'm gonna verify with my phone, so whether I am live or not. Yes, actually in my mobile also it's showing like that I am live. See, in mobile, in Facebook app, it's showing that I am live. So it's good. This is the way you can stream your broadcasting. So PS4 or your computer games, anything, you can just directly stream from OBS Studio and any other game capture. For PS4 you need this game capture definitely. AVA Media I'm using, and Elgato also using, but compared to I like this, so I'm using this AVA Media for PS4. If I have computer games, I have WW2K18 on my PC as well, so directly I don't need any game capture. Directly I can just telecast from my computer. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.